This is not a tip, this is a warning. What I'm about to show you will not just make your mind sharper. It will set you apart from normal humans. You will start thinking 3 moves ahead in everything. You will stop trusting people. And maybe even start using them. Once you cross this line, there's no turning back. The first step, thinking about thinking. A function of the mind, very few consciously use metacognition. Most people are stuck in level 1 thinking. Anger comes, they shout. Fear comes, they run. Happiness comes, they speak without thinking. But a mastermind operates at level 2. They don't just feel, they observe themselves feeling. They ask themselves, is this reaction right? What will happen if I say this now? 3 powerful skills every mastermind learns. 1. Emotional labeling. Identify the real emotion. Am I really angry or just protecting my ego? 2. Thought. Tracking. Keep track of every thought. Is this coming from fear or old habits? 3. Strategic observation. Be aware on 2 levels during any interaction. One part listens and speaks, the other observes everything. Now, when metacognition becomes a weapon, its dark side can be dangerous. Manipulators use these same skills, but to control you. Here are 5 dangerous tactics. 1. Exploit. Use your fears against you. 2. Trigger. Make you helpless, guilty, or fearful. 3. Mirror. Make it seem like they understand you. 4. Silent pressure. Break you without saying a word. 5. Reward, punishment loop. Bind with love. Punish in silence. Remember, sometimes the most dangerous person is the one who pretends to be the victim. But the real master is the one who uses their mind's power every day. 4 mastermind technique. 1. Think like a third person. Ask yourself, is this my emotion or just a reaction to the situation? 2. Nightly rewind. What was the biggest emotional moment of the day? Did I react or respond? 3. Thoughts versus truth. Question every thought. Is this fear or fact? Which beliefs did I choose and which were imposed? 4. Listen on 2 layers. During conversations, ask, what are they saying and why are they saying it? Final move. Rewrite the program. Not cowardly, just programmed to fear until now. Not weak, just unaware of your own power until now. Now you are no longer the observer, you are the creator. Not a puppet, but the puppet master. The game is not outside, it's within. Learn to win the mind game. If you're ready, unlock the power within, and step into the shadows. If you truly want to become a mastermind, subscribe, follow now, and don't miss the next part of this series. Remember, power is always where your attention goes.